Many users are complaining their new iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max is overheating despite very light use in various social media platforms. In this video, we will show you some easy ways to fix it. First thing you can do is remove the cover of the iPhone and let it cool down for a few minutes. It should fix the issue for time being. If you use a wireless charger like MagSafe, it can cause the overheating problem on iPhone 12. It is best to avoid any wireless charging as it is one of the major cause of overheating. If these are not causing the problem, check out the next ways to fix it. You can do a forced restart. It will solve minor software issues and stop it from getting too hot. Quickly press and release the volume up key, then volume down key. Now press and hold the side key. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. If there are too many apps running in the background, it puts pressure in the iPhone processor. It is also cause for overheating in iPhone. Swipe from the bottom of the screen and hold. You will see all the apps running in the background. Just swipe up one by one to close all the apps. When all the apps are closed, you will go back to home screen. Some of your customized settings could cause the problem. So you can do an all settings reset to fix overheating issues. It will only change the customized settings and you won't lose any of your data and contents. Open settings, go to general, scroll down and tap reset. Tap reset all settings, enter your passcode if prompted, tap reset all settings, again tap reset all settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and it will go back to its factory default settings. So guys, these are the ways you can fix your overheating issues on your iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. Like it and share it with others. Let us know what you think about this or if you have any query on the topic by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.